Good morning, everyone. It's time to go out and feed the pigs. Gotta make sure I'm armed because we got creatures out there. Big old bobcat the other day. Come on, kitty, you can go outside. Time to feed the pigs. Oh, it's dark and rainy this morning. Alright, a little bit of flashlight into a shot so we can get some food. We're gonna turn on the light. Gotta get a little scoopy scoop. We got whole kernel corn and some hog finisher pellets. Good morning, pigs. Pigs. Good morning. You want some food?